Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Are vinyl windows really maintenance free? Let's talk about that. So there was a time I was a service technician working at a vinyl window manufacturer. I remember going to service calls and sometimes the customers would tell me, hey man, I have dirt in my track, the glass gets dirty, and they'll ask literally, aren't these windows supposed to be maintenance free? And I'll be like, well, what do you mean maintenance free? And they'll say, yeah, the sales guy told me that literally when it rains outside, it washes the window. And I was going, are you serious? You've been oversold. Maintenance free, what does that mean? It's like this. Let's say you already have wood windows. A lot of times you have to paint your windows. And the reason why is because if there's moisture coming from our air gets into the wood, it'll warp it, it'll cause cracks, it'll cause all kinds of issues. So you have to really stay on your wood windows to make sure that, well, they stand the test of time. Whereas a vinyl window, the construction of it, the blend of the vinyls, well, there's really no paint you have to ever do. They just keep them clean. And by that, it literally means clean out your window tracks, pull the sliders out of the track itself, and clean off the weather stripping. I mean, this is just maintenance stuff, but it doesn't mean that it's maintenance free. You just don't have to paint your windows every 4 years, 3 years. You don't have to go through all the hassles and make sure that the window caulking has been, reapplied, because usually there's no need for that with a vinyl window. It's installed properly. The other thing is the warranty that you do get with your brand new vinyl windows are usually gonna cover balancer issues, locking issues, roller issues, weather stripping issues, all these things that you don't have to worry about ever again, right? So what's great about Annlin, one of the windows that we sell, is going to be that as long as you own the house or you sell the house and the next person, well, with Annlin, Milgard, you're not gonna have to worry about that. They're going to take care of you. One less maintenance issue to worry about. So I think that's probably what you wanna keep in mind whenever you're thinking about a maintenance-free window style. Okay guys, make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.